What is going on in here, ladies? Ladies in here stressing me out. I'll help you find your Play-Doh, sweetie. And folks, I got the beautiful Jessica over here cooking, and she is making chicken tinola. And so they're over here cooking all this good food, right? Looking delicious. And Fatima, can you tell everybody, can you show everybody what my meal is? What you offered me? Huh? Yeah, there's a can, yeah, right there. Folks, I'm telling you, if you're a foreign guy over here, it's stressful trying to fend for yourself. And Fatima, I have evidence that you were drinking last night. You drank a shot of tequila.
Oh, you're the one who told me.
This one here was drinking tequila and Red Horse and everything else.
Red Horse?
I think so.
It's always something up.
And then they left me at the bar.
Oh, you're the one who left us. You're the one who left us. We cannot find we cannot find you, so we don't have choice. We go home.
Only question I got for you ladies is, did you pay the trike?
Yeah, of course.
No, I'm talking about from yesterday.
The kuya.
Yeah, the kuya, yeah.
That's your problem. I'm not right kuya boy. I read different trike.
They rode a different trike when they left me at the bar.
Oh, you're the one who left.
And Jessica had to stay here with the children, but she was probably on Facebook all night.
They're not crying. When we come home, they're not crying.
Yeah, they love Jessica. Show us, baby. Show what they did in the show. But did you like the costumes and the boobies?
No, we're not finished. You left us in the bar in the is it excess?
Well, you got jealous of my girlfriends there.
You said that she's not there.
Oh, my one girlfriend wasn't there. My other ones were.
You left us in excess that we find you that then we drag you. I said we go with mom. Then you said I want to go in there midnight rodeo. When we go in the midnight rodeo, it's run out.
We're trying to go to rodeo as a brownout. I went to Dave's Kebab. You should have kept up. I went to Dave's Kebabs. Those were some delicious food.
There are so many people that we cannot find you now.
It was so delicious.
Oh.
No, I saw you standing in the street, but when I walked inside, you guys never followed me. I thought you knew where I went.
I see you, guy. We don't know where you go.
I saw you.
No, you saw us. Why you not go? Come, you.
Did you enjoy your first night out in 3 years, 5 years?
No, I'm not. You yuck.
Well, you shouldn't get mad at my girlfriends.
You're the one who is here because you're hungover, so you need to take care of the baby tonight.
I can't watch the children when I'm hungover.
You're okay now.
Plus, I'm drinking a beer. I can't watch kids when I'm drinking. I tell you what, I got a better idea. I'm thinking that all 3 of you ladies stay here, and I'll go out.
Give your money to me. You go without money.
But baby, yeah, how can I buy ladies drinks?
I don't care. Forest.
You wanted to go out, and the man bought you a shot of tequila, and so you drank it. What's the problem? She drank like 4 shots of tequila. How many you drink? 1?
No, I drink one shot. My shot.
Hey, you ladies wanted to go party, and I took you to party.